Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix there is an issue with your payment method. Update your payment information to correct the problem and try again. So guys, when you have added any payment method on your iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone, and after doing this you have to go back. From here you have to click on here the option of screen time and scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions. You have to turn it off, and after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to click on general, click on software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your Apple ID here on your iPhone or iPad, and after opening your Apple ID you have to click on here the option that is payment and shipping. You have to click on this tab and you have to wait for a few seconds here. And guys, after this simply you have to enter your Apple ID password here, and after entering this you will see payment method tab. Simply you have to delete your old payment method or remove your old payment method, and you have to add new payment method here, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.